Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. So if you think of conflict as a storm, storms are essentially neutral energy. Some people judge storms as really beautiful and lovely. Some people judge storms as horrible and chaotic. Each person's perception. And so this conflict is very much the same thing. You might even want to create a mantra, something like, just stay calm, I'm okay, I can handle this, stay open-minded. Whatever the mantra is, whatever works for you, you might want to be repeating that a little bit in your head while you're also simultaneously listening to the person giving you some feedback. If I can repeat back what I heard in some way, if I can acknowledge the behavior that I did, or maybe I didn't do something and that's what bothered them, whatever the behavior was, I want to acknowledge that. So the first thing is reassure. Can I emphatically reassure? Meaning, can I use words like I absolutely, I certainly, those types of emphatic words to reassure someone as to whatever they needed. So I can offer up a suggestion as to how I'm going to modify my behavior, and I can ask, would that work for you? Would that suffice? Or if I'm not sure what would work for them, so I can ask, what do you need from me going forward? What would you like to see from me? What would you like to know or to hear or to see?
And we need to resolve this immediately.
So this is a really important piece here. Self-regulation, staying calm. This is very easy to get defensive when someone's coming at you strong and heated. Try it with these next two on your own. Pause the video now if you want and try to do some reassurance and reinterpretation for these next two examples. These skills are like muscles. No one's ever perfect at it. So just give yourself some compassion, give yourself some room to make mistakes. The more you've practiced more effectively and peacefully receiving and responding to hard to hear feedback, the better your relationships generally will be, especially over the long term.